Dorman number for the tail end assembly. 1, 2. If my cat wasn't rubbing it, it wouldn't be moving. And she's a really windy day out here, but heck, I gotta change these guys out. They look old and faded, like gross kind of looking. I actually thought maybe it was just a clear coat there, so I actually tried to scrape it off right there. Maybe. I don't know if they sprayed it with clear coat, polish it, what they did. When I say they, you know, I mean the previous owners. Zoom this out a bit. All right, so let's go ahead and get these new ones installed. On this one here, I do need a Phillips, and on the inside there, they have Robinsons. Just took the two Phillips out, those guys there. I'm gonna take these two Robinsons out, and they're not gonna go back in because, they're not gonna go back in because they're the wrong ones. I'll get the right ones from work. Yeah, I'm gonna do kind of like a before and after. That's the new one. That's the old one. You can see how gruddy that thing looks. Oh, doesn't that look so much better? But yeah, I definitely have to get the screws for the inside here. There and there. I definitely need those because she's a little loose in here, but then again, so is that one over there. So, and fitment here is a little different, but you know what? I like that. That actually is going to look a heck of a lot better than, well, that does. That looks like old and faded. I'm gonna hurry up and get this one here done. So, like I said, don't have the Allen keys in this one. Get this sorry, I'm doing this one-handed here so I can record this for you guys. Alright. Those guys are out. Now, on the back of the brand new one here, they do have these dust covers on, which are pretty awesome. So when I pull this guy here off, the taped up one up here is going to be your brake light, brake/signal light. That guy right there. Woo. Get this one off, and this one here I'm actually missing the foam that goes around that right there. I'm actually missing, that sucks too, but whatever. Hey, don't care about those ones anymore, bye. Let's get that one installed. This one was a little harder to get in. The fitment on this one here is actually almost better than stock, to be honest with you. All right, now the lights are on, truck's in reverse. That actually, wow, actually for just a regular bulb up there, I don't look like with the brakes on, but either way, I don't really see that white like before. When I was doing the reverse lights, you actually saw white bleeding through here. It's not doing that now. So that looks like a million times better. So just a quick video for you guys. And you just, like I said, work never stops on this thing so far anyways. And I gotta say too, just real quick, where I'm taking this thing to get my safety done and the rear springs, that's been delayed a week, unfortunately. That's why actually there's gonna be 2 videos before I get this thing done, just because it was delayed. The mechanic had a family emergency. But either or, the point of it is that that guy had an 82 F150 in the garage with no plates on it. Thing looked mint, but now he'd been working on it for 8 years. So this truck here, it's been 4 years for me, and you know, I'm hoping it doesn't be a whole lot longer. But it's all the little things, you know, a little bit here and there. The front lights, now the back lights are done. Maybe one day actually that'll become LED, but not before the safety's done. So yeah, and Jason, you're right. I don't have to have the truck running to put the reverse lights on. Yeah, don't have to, you know, potentially run myself over to check the lights. So that's a quick video for you guys in progression. Got those things done. So are they part of safety? Kind of, sort of. Yeah, your lights have to be working. I don't know if that fogginess had anything to do with it, but you know what? At least I can say those things are new. And I'm actually really, really happy to see how that looks. Thanks for watching, like as always, and keep watching, subscribe, like, share, comment, do all that stuff. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.